Welcome to the reimagined boys space.
We were all about solving problems. The budget for this was very small. I wanted to stay true to this room, but what we really wanted to happen in this space was create a space where they could hang out and talk. The biggest thing is when you're redoing a space, if you can pick one type of element that is cohesive in that room, that makes it super modular and interchangeable.
They can comfortably enjoy this space in their new room.
This area feels like one big space now. Again, we have these beautiful beds. They're nice and modular. This can be switched to a bunk bed if they need the extra room. We went really simple with the decorating just because when a lot of people are in a space, it can feel crowded and we want to feel open and airy. This turned out to be my favorite room I've done so far. I absolutely love the paint color. I think it's my favorite one. I love it. This space can be anything at any time for the boys. I adore the Walmart bedding. Imagination and creative thinking can happen here. This is so beautiful.
Don't forget to follow your heart. I'll catch you in the next one.